Hi, hello. Welcome to Yoganand TECH Talk. Today, I'm going to give you a bit of a briefing on a Canva for beginners. How Canva we can edit thumbnails, we can edit charts, we can create videos. So I'm going to give you some bit of an overview, and then you can create your own after that. Okay, let's open your Google Chrome. Just type Canva. So that will open the website. So if you are first time opening, obviously you have to log in with your user ID. So once you log in with your user ID, you can create thumbnails or your videos. But if you want to use any of the pro related content, you will have to then pay. So that means that you have to sign up for pro user. So if you want to create more bulk videos or some of them will create a bulk shots. So if you want to create a bulk shots, obviously you will have to pay, and that includes a first 1 month they will give you a free trial, and then after that you will have to start pay whatever the price is. Let's quickly see what the prices that they have. Okay, I will go to pro and then click on a start free trial. Okay, so this is what the prices is actually. So monthly they will charge 13 pounds if it is a US, and they will charge in US dollars. And if you want to pay yearly, you'll have to pay 100 pounds in UK. So this is unlimited, and again depend on the restrictions that what you can do, what you cannot use. Okay, without wasting the time, let's get into the Canva. Okay, this is our, once you log into the website, you will see straight on your website your YouTube thumbnail. You can create docs, you can create whiteboards, presentations like PowerPoint presentations, and there's social media contents like Instagram, TikTok, and all those. And these are the straight videos. You can just create a video, and if you want to print anything, or you can even create a website. And there are some of the AI tools built in as well. So I will give you a bit of a briefing on each and everything. So if you pick up a YouTube thumbnail first, right, this will give you some of the templates that you can use it based on your YouTube video. If your YouTube video is a cooking video, so you can get cooking templates. Educational video, you can get educational templates. So let's say if your video is a cooking video, you can just go here and type cooking, enter. So you're going to get a lot of templates related to cooking. But what you have to remember is this, if you see here, this is a pro. Means if you want to use those templates with the pro, this icon is showing, you will have to use their payment method that you have to pay, as first 1 month is free anyway once you start first time. Or else there is a way that if you wanted to learn and how to use, then after that you wanted to pay, so you can use these free ones. If we click on this one, this is a free to use thumbnail. Any templates without that mark these are all free. Basically you can use any of this. So once you added your template, these are all the texts. If you like this text, you can continue, and you can just double click and change the text to test. So any text you can change it from here. On top of that, these are all elements. Any elements you can add if you want. See, each and individually you can select. If you don't like them, you can just simply delete them. And if you don't like this, you can simply delete. Or if you like it, you can keep it. So just Ctrl Z to bring it back. So if you want to add text to it, basically these are all some default text with the default font. If you don't like this, obviously you can simply select it, and then you can remove, and you can add some text on top of it. Okay, let me show you how to add the text to it. Just click on text and click on add heading. Just you can type, this is Canva, and then you can, once you type that, you can move this. Let's say you click somewhere else and then click on it and bring it back. So there is a spelling mistake. Okay, I'll correct it. So this is out of that actually background color, so I'll make it a little bit smaller, and then you can move it. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you click on it, you just click this and you can select, there are a lot of colors in here. So just select it, select the text, which one you want to change it. Let's say if you want to put only color to this, just select that. So that means this is red, other ones are in a white. So this is one way of adding a text. If you want to use them, you can use them. If you want to change the text font, you can change it from here. Okay, so I don't waste too much time on this thumbnail. Let's get jump into the other one. So go to file, create a new design. Okay, these are all we can create. You can create videos, you can create logos, you can create, business cards, notepads, postcards, so t-shirts, so many things. Let's create a video. So go for you can type, okay, let's select here video. Right, this is going to create slide by slide and play one after the other. So what videos? You can upload your own videos from here if you want. You just click on upload, and then you can go to upload, and then you can upload any of your videos. You can see I upload these videos. You can just simply select that. That's going to come on the timeline here. Okay, if you don't want to use them, you can use the default videos that they have. You go to design, you will see some of the videos in here. So you can use any of the videos, providing they are not pro. If they are a pro, obviously you will have to pay. If they are not pro, let's say you click this one, you select that. Okay, if you play, that's the way it's going to be playing. Okay, so you can change this text, double click, and you can change to text, and the other one in the background, that is the style of this slide. So there are a lot of templates that you can select, but if you see this, as I said before, this is the pro, that you cannot select this for free user. So there are few other templates. So if this slide is completed now, if you want to add another one, click plus, and then you can add any other. The same way you can keep on adding, and once all is done, you change and adding your text or adding whatever that food related contents, or once you make everything, you just play. That's going to play everything one after the other like a video. So once this video is ready, you can simply download it from here, click on a share, and then you click on a download. That's going to download as a MP4 video. Okay friends, this is the way to create a video. And you can play around text, and you have to add a text, or if you don't like it, you can change the text and change the format of the text, and these are all you can try yourself. Okay, let me quickly jump into the other one. Go to file, create a design, and now let's pick up a logo. Okay, this is the logo. If you want to create a logo for your YouTube channel, you can create a logo from here. There are few logos that you already have in here. If you like it, you can select. If it is your cooking channel, maybe let's see if there is any cooking channel logos, for example. Yeah, okay, this one is pro, you can't use it. This is free. If it is your cooking channel, select this logo. Okay, then you can adjust the size, and on top of that, if you want to add any food related items, you can upload and you can add anything to here. So this is a logo for maybe you can use it for YouTube channel or any other your business related one you want to create a logo. So that is the way to create a logo. And there are few other things that I will now cover you. Let's create another one. So click on a create a design. So you can create a Facebook post directly from here, Instagram post directly from here. Let's see the Instagram post. Okay, if you, as I said before, if you have a video, you can just simply upload it to this one, and then you can post it in Instagram. Or else, if you want to use this one, let's say World Charity Day, or this is a pro, let's try and pick some free ones. Okay, any nature people like videos. Okay, this is the way that Instagram is going to show. You can change the text as I said before. So you can simply download this one and put it into Instagram page. Okay, let's pick something else. Create a new design. Whiteboard. These are all you can try. Presentation. Let's check presentation. Like this is really cool when you're creating a PowerPoint presentation basically. So you can let's take out cooking. We will take technology presentations. Okay, this has 14 slides, so you can add slide by slide. This is a one slide, so you can change to your company. See company, and then project and project name. Test. And once this slide is ready, you can add another slide from here. So go back to design, and any slide you can pick up, but this slides is different to each other because this is the main slide, and second slide if you want to select like this and change the, simply all you have to do is change the matters, but any of the design. But look at the cool thing in here in Canva is I like it because everything you can remove it. Every element in this you can easily remove it and add a new ones. If you don't like anything, you can change the font style, color, everything. So if you want to create this one in a PowerPoint, it's a bit of a pain, but PowerPoint is a PowerPoint anyway. But Canva is very easy to do it. You don't have to have any PowerPoint experience to create the slides in here. Okay, this is the way to create a presentation. One of the other interesting thing, you can type from here anything, like if you want to create a YouTube Shorts, for example, YouTube Shorts. So right, this is the easiest way to create your short, and just download it and simply put it on your YouTube. So there are some free templates that you can use in here. So these ones, and some of the paid templates as well, pro templates. Based on the short that you create, you can just simply select one of these, and then you can change the text. And see, there is some visual sound on it. Actually, if you don't want to sound, you can take it up the sound as well. So you can create a bulk shots as well in here, but to create a bulk shots, obviously you have to have that paid version. So you can upload, or you can just go down and pick up a bulk upload from here. See, bulk create. If I click on a bulk create, obviously this is asking me to pay for it. So this is only, you have to pay and use it. So you can create an individual, but the bulk ones obviously have to be a paid user. So that is the way to create a shot. If you want to add another shot, you can just click in here, go back to design. You can select some other slides, or else if you own ones, as I said before, you can simply go here, upload. You can upload your own shot from here. Just you can bring it and put it in there. Oh friends, that is the way to create a shots. So very nice and easy. You simply create a shot, change the text, put it in there. If you want to add a music in here, you can add a music in here, or if you want to add a music in edit, you can add a music in edit. So next, I'm going to show you very interesting feature in here. That is that using AI, you can create images. So let's close all these. So I don't like too many screens. Okay, just click on file, create a new design. Let's say this time select a thumbnail. Right now, if you see all the way down, magic media. Okay, this is the AI animated, like you can create for example, like a boy sitting at the bus stop. Before you select this one, you have to select which type of design you want, like dreamy design, anime design, watercolor, or filmy color. Let's say you select a filmy color, and the aspect ratio you wanted to create for a YouTube shot, you can use portrait. Let's say thumbnail, you can use a landscape, or square button 1:1. Like if you want to use it for logo, you can use it. And this is a cartoon style. Let's say pick this one up, and then we can create an image So that's going to take a bit of a time. See, all our words that what we have typed actually, it is thinking. Let it take the time. We have 4 different cartoons in here. So whichever one you like it, you can select it. I didn't change this one because I wanted to show 4 of them on the same screen. Otherwise, for this landscape, obviously you will have to select a 16 by 9. I did not select a 16 by 9. I selected 1:1 because I just put 4 together. Okay, this is one style. Just put it in the corner. And this is another style. So you can see whether if you don't like 4 of them, obviously you can change to another different design. Again, you can generate it again. That's going to generate. So this time let's go for something different. We use the same text and create. Let's just go back in here, select a dreamy one, just click and paste it again. Or else you can start from the scratch, just go back and paste it in here, and you can select a dreamy one, and then you can select the landscape in here. Once you come back, you have all the options. Okay, let's quickly generate the image. Right, see, again we have 4 different options in here with the way that we have selected. I'll just remove these cartoon ones, and now this you can have it as a 16 by 9. Just select it, and then you can adjust this to 16 by 9. So that will give you a proper nice, right? Look at that, how cool. So you, on top of that, you can add a text. So to add some text, actually I'll show you some interesting features in here. Text maker. If you click on a text maker, see, there are a lot of different free styles that you have. These are all free. Only this one is the pro, but all the other ones are free. Basically, you can use it free. Let's select this one. This has 2 different colors, and then you can type from here if you want to. I leave that street art, and then this is text. So click on add design, add to design. Okay, your text is ready. So if you want to change any aspect ratios in here, 16 by 9, you can change the 16 by 9, or any other styles if you want, you can change. Otherwise, you can just simply put it back. So let's make it big if you want, or you can make it small as well, and then stick it somewhere in the corner wherever you like it. The A is missing, obviously. You can just pull a little bit, drag a little bit. Okay, so that's the way it's going to be. So you can just make it. So there are different type of styles actually, so you can still select whichever you like it. Okay friends, these are all important things that in a Canva which you can decide, but there are few other things if you want to try. You can try typecraft and so many other things. You can create the quiz templates as well. If you click on a quiz, and then you can type your matter, and then you can create a quiz templates as well. But if you want to create in a bulk, obviously you will have to be a paid member. So if you want to use some, I mean, just there are a lot of things that you can use it for free. Literally, this is a cool website. I like it. And every time when you come back, because your user is already logged in here, so you come back, you click on your projects, you can go back and see all your projects, all your uploads, all your downloads. And if you click on a designs, whatever you designed in the past, you can, like, let's say if you're repeating the same video, you can pick up a design from here, and then you can download the same thumbnail and put it back. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this. Please make a comment if you like it, but don't forget to subscribe for further videos.